Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to create your Steam account using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser. So whatever browser that you are using. And after that, you want to search for store.steampowered.com. You can see that here on my search bar. Okay. So now just go ahead and here put your email address, confirm your address, country of residence, verify that you're not a robot. So here I'm just gonna put my email address and here confirm your email address. Now the country of residence, that's correct, Philippines, and you want to check this box, okay? And click on continue. So now you can just go ahead and check your email or the verification of your email, okay? So if you saw the email, you should click the verify my email address, okay? So just go ahead and verify your email. And now I already verified my email using my mobile device, okay? So here looks like I already have a Steam account. So I don't know what's the password of it, so I'm just gonna click this. So if you prefer, you can make a new separate Steam account. So I'm just gonna click on continue. So here, your account name, your password, so need to confirm your password. Done. So please enter an account name that is at least 3 characters long and uses only. Okay, so just gonna do this. Let me check it if it is available. Okay, so that's it. So you can see I already have my Steam account. So that is how you create your Steam account using your computer. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.